4m plus 3n all over 4m minus 3n is equal to 5 over 2. Find the ratio m is to n. That means we are comparing m and n. We take solution. 4m plus 3n all over 4m minus 3n is equal to 5 all over 2. What we are going to do is we are going to perform cross multiplication. We take 4m plus 3n times 2. We equate it to 4m minus 3n times 5. This will give us 4m plus 3n brackets, that means multiplication, times 2 is equal to 4m minus 3n times 5. Next, we have to expand the brackets, then we bring the like terms together. 4m times 2 gives us 8m plus 3n times 2 gives us 6n is equal to 4m times 5 gives us 20m. Negative 3n times 5 gives us minus 15n. Next step, what we are going to do is we are going to transfer 20m to the left hand side and 6n to the right hand side. When 20m crosses the equality sign, it becomes negative. This will give us 8m minus 20m is equal to negative 15n. 6n, when it crosses the equality sign, it becomes negative minus 6n. 8m minus 20m gives us negative 12m is equal to negative 15n minus 6n gives us negative 21n. Next step, what we are going to do is we are going to multiply both sides by negative 1. The reason why we are multiplying both sides by negative 1 is simply because we want their respective coefficients to be positive. Multiplying all through by negative 1, this will give us negative 1 times negative 12m is equal to negative 1 times negative 21n. Negative 1 times negative 12m gives us 12m is equal to negative 1 times negative 21n gives us 21n. The next step, we are going to divide all through by 3. We are dividing all through by 3 because 3 is the highest common factor of 12 and 21. 12m divided by 3 is equal to 21n divided by 3. 12 divided by 3 gives us 4m to be equal to 21 divided by 3 gives us 7n. We need the ratio m is to n. The next step, what we have to do is we are going to divide all through by 4, the coefficient of m. 4m divided by 4 is equal to 7n divided by 4. 4 will strike off 4, we'll be left with m equal to 7n all over 4. Next step, we are going to divide all through by n. This will give us m over n to be equal to 7n all over 4n as such. We'll be left with m over n equal to n will strike off n. We'll be left with 7 all over 4. M over n is the fractional form of the ratio m is to n. This is the fractional form. This will simply imply that m is to n is equal to the fraction 7 over 4 as a ratio is simply equal to 7 is to 4. So this will be equal to 7 is to 4. Therefore, m is to n is simply equal to 7 is to 4. This simply means that if we are to take 7m, then we must take 4n. We are done with the solution. If in case you have any worries, feel free to drop your questions at the comment section. Please do like the video, share, and subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much for watching.